And oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Do you know what? It would be rather remiss of me to not go and investigate this. Ah, no, I know, I've just remembered, I actually rode through that section the other day. Yeah, I remember. So I came through over the top, there we go, didn't I? There we go, this way. Well, I think so. No, actually, this section I didn't go on. Left or right? Well, that way or that way? I don't know which way to go. Oh, that's a steep drop there. I'm messing with that. Wow, look at this. Beauty. Very nice indeed. Now, should I go left or? Do you know what? Let me just go down here and see what's down here. Amazing. Well, getting a bit further and further, and I'm getting a little bit later than I really wanted to be. So I'll tell you what, I'll just go to the edge of here and then just see where it takes me. So this is pretty much the edge here. Oh, there's a massive dip here. I think this is the end of the trail. Pretty much. No, oh no, no it isn't. Well, that's fallen tree though, that's for sure. Oh, mind your head. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, this is pretty much, I think, yeah, that goes up to, yeah, look, they've closed it off there. The tree trunks across the track. Oh no, they haven't. So that's just basically joined up that road. Okay, let me just go back then. Wow, lovely. Yeah. Wow, amazing. Just never realise that these trails are here, do you? You know. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, it is getting pretty dark under here, that's for sure. Have to work a little bit harder with the vision, just to you know, make sure I'm picking out all the detail here, all the little stumps and tree roots really in particular, making sure I'm hitting them as square on. I see daylight, I see daylight. Oh yeah, this is the part I came up on the other day actually. Very gravelly. And it just opens up into a really nice sort of forest trail or track. Wow. Pretty much it, I think. Brilliant. How cool was that? Well, I really enjoyed that, I gotta say. Unexpected. Basically, you just go off these trails and then you think, oh, what's down there? So you go and investigate and see, find something different. You know, I swear you could just, you know, spend your whole life within, you know, 30 or 40 miles of where you live, just constantly finding new trails and tracks. They're all over the place. They really are. Just got to go and find them. You know, just ride with a bit of responsibility, so you're not, you know, hacking people off, which, you know, which then gives you and everybody else riding a bike a bad name. You know, so just sort of take it easy and. You know, and just find your way, you know. Cool. Bring that back up. Right, well, hope you really enjoyed that one. Catch you on the next riding times, whenever it is. Cheers.